We're going to be joining in this video a incident involving a rapper, Cardi B. She has a incident in Beverly Hills with a security guard. That the security guard has brought a lawsuit against Miss Cardi B for assault, and she's trying to sue the rapper for $25 million, which is ridiculous. So welcome back to Chef I on Reaction, and I'm your host, John Shaft, and let's get into this video, and afterwards I will come back and give you my commentary.
When we were discussing yesterday at the end, we were talking about the issue where you testified that Miss Ellis was recording you with her cell phone. Do you remember that?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know what type of cell phone she was using at the time?
I'm not quite sure. I just remember it was clear.
What color was the cell phone?
It had a case. It definitely had a case. But I'm not sure.
Do you know if the type of phone that she was using when she was recording you?
I'd like to briefly
Did the light go on, or
welcome you all back
It didn't have a light.
to another episode
so if the
of Chef
facing
Eyes on Reaction,
was the cell phone,
and I'm your host,
was it facing
John
you or
Shaft.
facing Miss Ellis?
The camera was facing me. When I got off the elevator, her phone was here. Then when I was walking and she was behind me, and then she said, "Oh my God, yo, Cardi B, Cardi B." I looked back and the camera was like right there, like practically on her chest type stuff. I'm like, "Yo, why are you recording me?"
And you are viewing a defamation trial of rapper Cardi B brought upon her by a security guard that she had infraction with.
On their chest, which records what occurs in front of them. I'm not saying she was recording you. I am asking you this question. If she was recording you, why does it matter?
Because she's a security guard and I'm going to a doctor's office. It definitely mattered.
You were causing a disturbance. Maybe she wanted to record you.
Let's not talk over each other, number one. Wait for him to finish asking the question before you answer.
Do you own the building of 8920 Wilshire Boulevard?
No, I was walking to a doctor's office.
Do you agree that you were a guest in that building? You were a visitor, correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. When a security officer tells you to leave, are you supposed to leave?
Objection.
Yes or no?
Sustained if asked and answered. We covered this yesterday.
You were causing a disturbance in the building.
She started the disturbance.
Did you also...
Oh, sorry.
Do you remember yesterday you said that there was a verbal altercation between the two of you? You remember that?
Yes.
Okay. And an altercation is a fight, isn't it? It's a verbal fight. You had a verbal fight with her.
Asked and answered.
Yes or no?
Yes. Sustained.
You used the F word during that fight, didn't you?
Yes.
What other words did you use? Tell us in your own words what you said.
I said, on my face. Why are you in my face? Why are you recording me? Ain't you supposed to be security?
Tell it to her now. Go ahead.
Huh?
Say it again. Say it.
Objection, Your Honor.
You want me to say it to
I
her
want
face?
you to tell it to her face what you said on that day so she can hear it for herself.
Objection is sustained.
Your Honor, do we have civility in the
Yeah. Why don't we just take the temperature down a little bit? If you have factual questions to ask her, please do so. It's not the time to argue with her.
What were the words that you used when you got off the elevator to this security guard who is no longer a security guard at this time?
Objection to argumentative and also covered yesterday.
It's been covered several times, so it's asked and answered. It's the objection sustained.
What did you tell Amani Ellis yesterday?
Sounds like you need one.
What were you holding in your hand at the time when you got off the elevator?
Objection, excuse me, argument.
Overruled.
Nothing, correct? You weren't holding anything, were you?
No.
You had both of your hands free to do whatever you wanted to do, correct? Yes or no?
Objection, relevance.
Overruled.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. And if you wanted to scratch or cut her face with your right hand or your left hand, if you wanted to do it, you could have done it, correct? So
But
you're
I
not
didn't.
disabled.
But I didn't because I had a baby inside me.
How did she know?
Time out. Let's slow down the pace just a little bit before the opportunity to give objections and for the court reporter. What was the objection?
Argumentative, relevance.
Overruled.
And again, I would ask that counsel lower his voice. This isn't.
So, Your Honor, I was told yesterday that my voice was too low by others, so that's why it's a little bit higher today, so that everybody can hear what I can say, as well as the witness.
I think that there's a difference between...
Oh, you just trying to be a prick. That's all that is.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. I apologize for that. I will try to do my best to tone it down. So, again, I will ask you to tell us and admit to this fact that you are not disabled, correct?
I'm not what?
Are you disabled?
At that moment, no.
No. Are you disabled? Are you disabled? Yes or no?
At that moment, when you're pregnant, I'm very disabled. You want me to tell you things I can't do?
Fine. What was your disability on February 24th of 2018? What was your disability?
I was pregnant. I couldn't protect myself, even if I wanted to. She's like twice my
No
size.
problem, no problem. Let me ask you this. How many months pregnant
You
were
need
you?
to wait for the answer.
Okay. How many months pregnant were you?
I was around 13 to 12 weeks.
Months? 4 months? 3 months? 3 to 4 months. Fair enough? Did you have a bulging belly?
No, I didn't.
Did Miss Imani Ellis know that you were pregnant?
Objection, calls for speculation.
Do you know if Imani Ellis knew that you were pregnant when you walked out of that elevator?
No, I didn't know. But she knows that I'm a patient. When you're a patient to go see a medical anything, you shouldn't even try to fight nobody. You don't know what disability they have.
Okay. Now let me ask you this question. When you say you were disabled, were you disabled in your upper extremity, your arms? Were your arms disabled? The reason I'm asking is I want to make it very clear for everybody that your arms could go up and down, and they could go up and down now, and they could go up and down on that day as well. You agree to this?
Objection, argumentative, asked and answered in a different way. And I guess that's fine.
I'll let you can answer this once. Please don't ask it again.
If my arms were disabled? No, my arms weren't disabled. No.
Can you raise your arms up?
Objection, Your Honor.
Can you? You don't have to do it physically. I'm saying, are you able to do it?
Yes.
And on that day, you were able to do it as well, correct?
If I wanted to, yes.
Okay. That's all I'm asking. Aside from your disability of being 3 to 4 months pregnant, did you have any other disabilities?
No, no.
Do you have a disabled placard? Are you legally disabled in any way?
Why don't you move on?
And the hoodie that you had on, what color was it? Was it black, white, yellow, purple, pink?
I really don't remember.
And was the hoodie over your head or
Yes.
no? You wore it for what reason over your head? To protect your identity?
It could be I don't really want people to recognize me. My hair not done. My makeup not done. I probably just woke up. A lot of reasons.
And when you went there in the afternoon at 1:30 p.m., had you just woken up at that moment? Well, shortly before 1:30 p.m. on a Saturday?
Objection, relevance.
Assistant.
When you went to the building, At 1:30 p.m., were you fasting or you didn't eat something before you went to see the doctor?
Sustained.
Now, when you saw Miss Imani Ellis and you got out of the elevator, I'm not asking who did what. I'm asking, was there any contact between you and her of any kind? What that means is fingers to fingers, shoes to shoes, knees to knees. Any contact between you and Imani Ellis of any kind. Was there? Yes or no?
No.
So she didn't touch you, correct?
No.
So if somebody comes here and testifies that she did do something to you physically, you disagree with that testimony, or you will, correct?
She didn't touch me.
Okay.
She didn't get to touch me. No. She was going to touch me, but she didn't get to touch
When you
me.
say she was going to touch you, how do you know that? You
Because
assume?
we were chest to chest at one point.
So then your chest did touch, right?
I'll say that, but you did say when I got off the elevator,
Okay.
we
Let's-
we walked a little bit. That's when we got chest to chest. When we got off the elevator, we didn't do no contact.
I understand. So here's how we're going to do this. The date of the incident is February 24th of 2018. You agree?
Yes.
Now I'm going to talk to you about the whole day. Not just the minute you got off the elevator. When I say the whole day, from the moment you got off the elevator, you saw Imani Ellis, you had your fight with her, whether it was verbal or not. At some point, she went away or you went away. So during that segment of time of your life, which was how many minutes in your opinion? 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute?
It was probably like a minute 45. It was so quick. It was really quick.
Perfect. So from during the 1 minute and 45 seconds.
No. I didn't say 1 minute
We
45 seconds.
haven't had a question yet. Please phrase one that's intelligible.
During the few minutes or 1 minute or whatever minutes it was that you were with Imani Ellis, during that period of time of your life and her life, during that segment, just told us now, during that time period, at some point, you were chest to chest. You agree?
Yes.
There was physical contact between her chest and your chest, correct?
Yes.
Now, when you had the chest-to-chest contact, at that moment, were you angry?
I was mostly nervous.
Were you angry?
Yes, I was angry.
How angry were you?
Depends on the level of angry, to be honest with you.
Let's talk about the level. I'm going to go from a scale of 1 to 10. On a scale of 1 to 10, what was the level of your anger when you were chest to chest with this person?
Objection.
On the date of the incident.
Sorry. Objection taken and negligence.
You were at a high level of anger when you were chest to chest with her, correct?
Objection.
Overall.
I don't think I was like on a high level of angry. I was more on a high level of concern. Very concerned.
And why were you concerned?
Because I'm pregnant and this girl's about to beat my... Hello?
Hello. Hello, I'm here. So, when she was going to beat you, like you just testified, what did she do to have you believe that she was going to beat you? What did she do?
She was on my face, chest to chest, and while we arguing, she's backing me. So we practically arguing, and I'm backing, and she's like walking forward.
Right. And she's, you said she's bigger than you, is that correct?
Absolutely.
How do you know that?
I mean, look.
I'm looking, I don't agree with that. What is your basis? Are you saying she's physically bigger, she's taller?
I mean, you have her medical records,
I don't
right?
have anything. I want to ask you the question.
I mean, I was 130 pounds at that time.
So she's overweight, right? In your opinion.
Objection. No.
It's the same.
She's a little...
You don't need to answer me.
Okay. Did you make fun of her that she was overweight when you were there in the hallway?
I I don't think so.
Did you call her fat?
No, I was calling her. Yes.
Do you think that's respectful to call a security guard a bitch?
Objection. Sustained relevance.
Is that how you talk to everybody?
Objection. Sustained.
Freedom of speech there, bud.
Now, you said you felt, I don't know the words, let's go back to it. Did you feel scared, threatened, afraid at the moment your chest was touching?
Absolutely.
You were scared?
Absolutely.
And you had your cell phone on you, right?
I did, but she's in my face.
That's fine.
Let's focus on the question and understand.
Did you use your cell phone to call Karani, your security guard, who was downstairs, or the police?
Objection.
Did you call anybody? For help? Over.
When I got inside the doctor's office and I said like on the little bed thing, I told him, yo, you wouldn't even believe what just happened. Meet me downstairs when I leave. I'm gonna call you when I leave.
If you were really scared and really afraid, isn't it true that you could have called your security guard to come upstairs and help you? Or you could have called the police. That was a possibility because you had your phone in your hand, correct?
Objection. Compound mischaracterizes the testimony for the phone was in there.
Sustained.
You had your phone in your pocket on the date of the incident?
Objection. Relevance.
Sustained.
Can we agree that you didn't call your security guard to help you after the incident, correct? To help you. You did call him, but you didn't call him to come upstairs.
I apologize. I thought it was mischaracterizes the testimony.
Over.
I didn't call him to help me. It was already done. It was done.
Okay, now let's talk about the fingernails. Okay, fingernails.
Some figure.
Well, I want to show a couple of things about the fingernails. So, this side of the ruler, okay, is 2 centimeters. Can you bring it closer? Can you see it from there?
Objection, Your Honor. You went over this yesterday.
I'm sorry.
2 centimeters. Do you know the size of 2 centimeters? How big it is?
That's an answer.
I have like an understanding of how it would be. Yeah.
2 centimeters is a little bit less than an inch. Okay? Now, Miss Imani Ellis had a scar to her face of 2 centimeters long, and she received plastic surgery for that.
Yeah, right.
And my question to you is, did you at any time see a scar on Miss Imani Ellis's face, or a cut, or a scrape, at any time during the time of the incident?
No. And she couldn't get a scratch from me because I didn't touch her.
I understand that's what you're saying. I get it. Did you look at Miss Imani Ellis's left cheek at any time during the incident? Did you specifically look for that because you thought there might be a scar on her face? Or did you not look?
Objection. Compound and relevance.
Sustained.
Did you look at Miss Imani Ellis's face when you were arguing with her at the time of the incident?
I was looking at her face, but I wasn't looking like, she got a pimple on her face? No, I wasn't looking at her details or anything.
And so once again, I'd like to welcome you all back to my channel, Shaft, S-H-A-F-T, like John Shaft. I on reaction, and I'm your host, John Shaft. And as you could just see in this video, we got the gorgeous and the beautiful rapper Cardi B is being sued by a security guard there in Beverly Hills, and the security guard is just alleging that she was assaulted by Mrs. Cardi B, and that the assault was so bad or so terrible that she had to have plastic surgery on a scar that was only a couple centimeters long, which is less than an inch. And now she wants to file a lawsuit and get $25 million, which I think is ridiculous. Even if she's guilty of it, I don't think it would require for you to receive that kind of monetary gain. In my opinion, this security guard is just a low-life son of a gun and just trying to come up off of a famous and rich person. And so in this video, you got Miss Cardi B, very beautiful woman, very cosmetic, and you got the attorney here questioning her in a very, if you ask me, a degrading manner. Seemed like he was more upset, like he was the victim than of the actual security guard. And so the security guard name is Ellis, and she's alleging that the rapper approached her or something like that, or she approached the rapper in an elevator, and for some reason or another she went to start videotaping the rapper, and I think that's when the altercation started, because Mrs. Cardi B at the time did not want to be videotaped, and so she was trying to secretly videotape her, and here again, probably for monetary gains. She's probably going to take the video and probably sell it to some social news or media station, what have you. And so Cardi B saw what she doing and tried to put a stop to it. And I don't know if she's guilty of putting her hands on the security guard, but the security guard, in my opinion, I think she overstepped her power. A lot of times these people that they're in these roles as security, they think they have more power than what they do, when they really don't. Any security guard, no matter where they at, have the same power as a regular citizen. They are not police officers. They're not certified police officers. They haven't went through no police academy. They're not certified peace officers. They're just a regular citizen, paid to be an observant to an incident, to a particular place. And if they see something out of order, then they call the police. But step in and act like you are law enforcement, and you're going to prohibit somebody from doing a particular thing is wrong, and it is beyond their power, and they do not have the power to do such a thing. And me personally, I can't stand these damn people. I'm gonna put it out there just like that, because like I say, they always overstep their boundaries, and in my opinion, they're nothing more than rejects wanting to be a police officer, and I could not cut it. Me myself, I am a former law enforcement officer from the state of Alabama, retired, and I worked with sheriff patrol. I worked in courtrooms. I worked in family courts, and I also worked in a state prison. And I am certified twice as a peace officer. I went through three police academies. So So I'm well certified in abreast and experience in law enforcement. Matter of fact, I probably should have been an attorney. Most people, when they see me, they think thus so that I'm an attorney, but actually I'm a retired law enforcement officer. But in this case, you got the gorgeous Mrs. Cardi B is being sued. This frivolous lawsuit of $25 million just for a damn scratch on her face that she allegedly saying that Mrs. Cardi B did, and I don't believe for 1 minute. For one, the young lady was Miss Cardi B was pregnant at the time, so I don't think she would put herself in that kind of predicament, put herself at risk. Someone retaliating against her, knowing that she has a young life growing inside of her. And I think this is nothing more than a stunt from this minimum wage individual trying to come up, and obviously is what it is. And you had this prick of an attorney with his words of trickery, trying to, in my case, badger and being argumentative to Mrs. Cardi B. And so it's going to be interesting to find out and see how this trial ends up. And in my opinion, it does not under any circumstances deserve no $25 million. I give her $500 and a Coke and a smile and be done with it. Man, that's bad. And that's too much right there. But yeah, like I said, it's going to be interesting how this case turn out, and we're going to be watching it. And well, that's going to bring an end to this video. We thank you for watching, and ask you that you would continually to support the channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you know when we are doing a upload. And that way you don't miss out on some of this awesome content. Again, you are viewing another episode of Shaft Eye on Reaction. Again, we thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.